The secret was revealed. The secret that the bakeries don't tell you to let the bread very crunchy on the outside but very smooth and fluffy on the inside. So let's learn this recipe. In a bowl, let's add 400 milliliters of milk, 10 grams of dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and mix all of these ingredients very well. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. We love to know how far it can get. Now let's just start adding the flour. Here I'm using 5 cups and a half of it, but let's add it little by little because it will depend on the brand of your flour. We don't want this dough to be too heavy, so go adding little by little and filling this dough. Knead it with your hands until it's very smooth. After kneading it and letting it very smooth like this, we are going to add 30 milliliters of oil and mix it until it's all together. Now let's let it grow until it doubles the size. As here in my city is very warm, it took 40 minutes only. After that, guys, when the time is up, let's put it on the counter and cut it into 6 equal parts. Take one of the parts, mix with your hands a little bit, and then let's start molding it, shaping it. Now with the roll, we are going to open it very well, then roll it with your fingers. And repeat this process until all of the parts are done. That's it, guys. Super easy, super simple. But right now, I'm gonna tell you the secret. Before taking it to the oven, we are going to dive all of the parts, all of the bread, into boiled water. That's right. Do it with each part. Just 5 seconds from one side and on the other side, and then you can take it out. Do it with all of them, then put them in a greasy form with oil or butter and flour. And let's take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes, or until you see that it's brown on top of it. And just take a look at this wonder, guys. This is the best bread ever. It's super crunchy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. And that happens because when you put it into boiled water, your bread from the outside, it cooks a little bit. So it's pre-cooked when you put it on the oven. This bread with a little bit of butter and a cup of coffee, there's nothing better than that. Make it at your house and come and tell me what you thought about it, because seriously, you will feel very surprised with this result. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us. See you guys around.